Soon to be opposition leader Andrew Holness is warning of future prosecution for trigger-happy online warriors who continue to tarnish the reputation of the Jamaican, especially on popular social media platforms, while speaking on Saturday during a Jamaican Labour Party youth conference held Saturday at the Almond Tree restaurant in St. Anne. Holness sent the warning to what he called the entire industry called fake news and those trying to trick people to get power.
Many of you have been hearing all kinds of things being said, whether it is in the social media or on your traditional media, meaning your radio, your TV, your newspaper. Much of it is just pure lie. Now, I hear some people talking.
Wagwan, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel once again. It's Kisaka, it's my YouTube channel name. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking this video, and also remember to share the video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that in case I get posts, you'll be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Straight to the video of today. Andrew Holness, His Excellency, the Prime Minister of beautiful Jamaica, has just warned, has just come up with some warning to the bloggers, vloggers, and all the people using social media about what he's terming as lies. He's saying that he's coming after you, especially the bloggers from Jamaica. A lot of things have been going around social medias, especially the TikTok and YouTube. There's a lot of reactors and other users who are talking about almost all the things that is happening in Jamaica. In this time and age, people are free to express themselves. They have freedom of expression. People express themselves freely, share information out to the world, as long as you are not defaming or slandering another person. You are free to share your opinion. Your opinion is valid. There's freedom of information. As long as you don't invade on other people's rights, you are free to share information. If you look at most of the informations that most of these Jamaicans social media give out, the information, most of the information, or majority of the information, is not biased, it's not defamatory, it's not slanderous in any way. And the statement of His Excellency Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, saying that he's coming after, I think he's trying to gag or to make people to shut and not to speak about the ills. Whatever the ill that we get to see in the society, we should speak about, we should speak out loud. There are some ills, politicians are people who are very funny. Like recently over here in Africa, we have been having some demonstrations about the politicians, the stance that they normally take. Andrew Holness, for example, there are some things that he does that might be offending other people, and they don't have any other place. Online or social media platforms is the right place to share. And this time and age, we are having a lot of youth online who are using social media as a means of communicating, sharing information, disseminating information, also learning. It is not right for Andrew Holness to come up with some ways of making people to threaten people not to share their views. Jamaica has no defamation laws. That is from my research. That is, in Jamaica, you can say anything without going to jail, but you can be fined or forced to apologize. You can say anything. There is freedom of expression, but if you defame another person, you can be forced to pay a fine, or in case they sue you, can it is either you pay a fine or you'll be forced to withdraw the statement, but you won't be jailed. So that is one thing. The second thing, whatever the ills that are out there, people should talk about them so that other people may know about. If we don't talk about the ills, other people won't know about. Like some years ago, there's in some of the parishes in Jamaica, people the mortality rate of infant mortality rate was a double, like tenfold. And were it not for some of the media stations and social media, some of these ills won't have been known. In social media, people are talking about some of the agreements that the Prime Minister is getting into without much involving the citizens. Citizens just get to hear that an agreement has been done between this country and this country, this much is involved. And this idea of not involving all the citizens in some of the decisions that you are making is detrimental. Also, people were complaining about some corruption cases, and it is alleged that there are around 6 criminals in the parliament. It is just alleged. Such vices won't be addressed if people are gagged from sharing out their views. People should keep on speaking, as long as you don't speaking with the intention of defaming. You're speaking based on the truth. Whatever ill that you see, you share out. So some people were asking, they wanted to know about Andrew HOLNESS net worth. They want him to declare his wealth, and so that it can be cleaned and people can have a clean bill. People will be knowing some of his wealth, because it is alleged that there's some enrichment and there's some deals with the party that are not right, and also other things. I understand there are people who support and there are people who not support, but there should be no threat on how people express themselves. People should express themselves freely. No one should be muzzled from speaking. See you on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This has been the video for today.